Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Moodle account. To delete your Moodle account, first of all open up a web browser and type in moodle.org and search. After you are in the main home page of Moodle after signing in, go ahead and click on the little profile drop-down at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, select Profile. From your profile page, scroll down and under Privacy and Policies, click on Delete My Account. You will now need to create a new data request. Click on the drop-down right next to Type and choose whether you would like to export all of your personal data or you want to delete your personal data. And if you want to explain anything, simply go ahead and do it and click on Save Change. Now your data deletion request has been processed. You can also cancel the request by clicking on the Action drop-down and clicking on Cancel Request anytime you want until your profile and your personal data has been deleted. Your request will be sent and processed soon, and you will then be able to delete your account for Moodle. So that's how you easily delete your Moodle account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.